Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OUKITEL WP35 and let me share with you how to block a number on this device. So first of all, we can block a number which we've got currently saved on our contact list. Let's open the contact list, find the contact you'd like to block and tap on it. And as you can see here in the contact settings, we've got this option, block numbers. So let's tap on it. Your device will ask you if you really want to do it because you will no longer receive any incoming calls or text messages from this number. So let's tap on block. And for some reason, I am unable to block the numbers, but no worries. I'm pretty sure that you will be able to do it without any problems. After that, you will be also able to unblock the numbers in the same section. So this is the first way of blocking the number, and the second one requires entering the settings. So here it does not really matter whether it will be in the contacts, recents or the favorites. Just tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner and tap on the settings. Right here we have to find this section, blocked numbers, and here we've got our blacklist, which is currently empty, but let's simply tap on add a number, and as you can see, you can manually enter it, tap on block, and your device will right now block all incoming calls and text messages from the specific number. You can also use this option just by tapping on the switcher. You can block calls from all unidentified callers, so it's up to you whether it is useful for you or not. And you can also unblock the number just by tapping on this X button right next to it and tap on unblock. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.